Hi, I'm Andy Dowden, the show director of the Phuket International Boat Show, and I'm here at Royal Phuket Marina in Phuket. We get busy getting ready for the next show, which will happen in the second week of January 2014, and it will have a stunning display of yachts, marine equipment, property, and of course luxury cars and other goods. Quite a few changes to the show this year, going into our second decade. This will be our 11th show. And we're doing some serious rebranding over the next 6 months. And the really big news is that we have just signed a 5-year agreement with the marina to take us right through to 2018.